Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 5 two-dimensional analytical geometry. Exercise 5.2 question number 8. Identify the type of conic. You want to find out the center, foci, vertices, directrix. And in this case when you see we have x plus 1 whole square by 100 plus y minus 2 whole square by 64 equal to 1. When you replace this x plus 1 as capital X and this y minus 2 as capital Y, then the given equation become x square by 100 plus y square by 64 equal to 1. This equation looks in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is an equation of the ellipse which is in a standard form, capital X square by 100 plus capital Y square by 64 equal to 1. Here 100 and 64, 100 is more than 64 which appear in the denominator of x square. Therefore, the greater value of this one is considered as a square and the another one is b square 64 in this case. A gives after taking square root 10 and b gives 8 after taking square root. Here the greater value of 100 which appear in the denominator of x square. Therefore, major axis along x-axis, capital X-axis. In this case, when you replace capital X as x plus 1, capital Y as y minus 2, I am getting the equation capital X square by 100 plus capital Y square by 64 equal to 1, which is the standard equation of the ellipse, and the greater value of 100 appear in the denominator of x square. Therefore, a square is 100, b square is 64, major axis along capital X-axis. Is it clear? Now, I got the value of a and b after taking square root, which is 10 and 8. E value, square root of a square minus b square by a square, which is square root of 100 minus 64 by 100, which gives 100 minus 64, 36, and this is 100. So, after taking square root, it gives 6 by 10. When you simplify, E value 3 by 5, which is less than 1. So finally I got the value of E, which is 3 by 5 less than 1. See, in this case, when you replace this as capital X and this as capital Y, I am getting the standard equation with respect to capital X and capital Y. I can declare my A value, B value, E value and the major axis along X axis. So in this case, just find out the value of AE. What is AE? A is 10, E will be 3 by 5. So this 5 get cancelled here 2 times, 2 3s are 6. This is AE value. A divided by E. A is 10. E is 3 by 5. When you divide, you wanted to take a reciprocal. It will be 5 by 3. It gives 50 by 3. So I got the value of AE which is 6. A by E which is 50 by 3. Now you want to prepare a table with respect to capital X and capital Y. Got it? First column shows with respect to capital X and capital Y. Second column shows with respect to small x and small y. Reference with respect to capital X, capital Y. Reference with respect to small x and small y. What is small x? From here, capital X minus 1. See, small x will be capital X, this plus 1 comes here, minus 1. Small y will be capital Y plus 2. Got it? Now, if you wanted to prepare two columns, first column with respect to capital X, capital Y, second column with respect to small x and small y. Is it clear? Now, according to this equation, capital X square by 100 plus capital Y square by 64, the dummy figure will be like this. The major axis along X-axis, I said no. So it will be like this. This is the dummy figure for understanding of capital X, capital Y. So according to this one, what is the center? Center will be 0, 0. According to capital X, capital Y, the center will be 0, 0. When you replace capital X equal to 0, small x will be minus 1. When you replace capital Y equal to 0, it gives small y equal to 2. Therefore, center will be minus 1, 2. So, first we want to find out the center with respect to capital X, capital Y. In this case, the standard equation, therefore the center will be 0, 0. After replacing capital X as 0 and capital Y as 0 here, you will get the center with respect to small x, small y. That is what the given equation. We will get the center as -1, 2. Next, foci. Of course, the foci is on x-axis. Foci will be plus or minus AE, 0. That is plus or minus, what is AE? 6, 0. That is 6, 0 and minus 6, 0. Got it? We have foci which is plus or minus 6, 0 and capital X is 6. When you replace here 6 minus 1, 5. Small x will be 5. And capital Y is 0. When you replace, Y will be 2. Again one more foci. Capital X is minus 6. When you replace here, minus 6 minus 1, minus 7. And when you replace capital Y as 0, it gives 2. Therefore, foci F1 will be 5, 2. And another foci which is denoted F2, denoted by F2, which is minus 7, 2. So very first you want to find out the foci with respect to capital X and capital Y. After getting the value with respect to capital X, capital Y, just replace here. You will get the foci with respect to small x and small y in this case, like this. Is it clear? Just replace, this is capital X and this is capital Y. Okay. Here and here you will get respectively small x and small y value. In this case the foci will be F1, that is 5, 2 and another foci F2 will be minus 7, 2. Next, vertices, which is here and here. Okay, then which is plus or minus A, 0. That is, what is A value? 10. Plus or minus 10, 0. That is 10, 0 and minus 10, 0. So in this case, your vertices with respect to the standard equation of capital X square by 100 plus capital Y square by 64 equal to 1 gives 10, 0 and minus 10, 0. When you replace x as 10, small x will be 10 minus 1, 9. When you replace y as 0 here, it gives 2, 0 plus 2. Another vertices minus 10, 0. When you replace minus 10 here, minus 10 minus 1, minus 11. And when you replace capital Y as 0, it gives 2. Therefore, V1, 9, 2 and another vertices V2 which is minus 11, 2. Is it clear? Very simple. After getting the vertices with respect to capital X and capital Y, just replace here and here. You will get the vertices with respect to small x and small y. In this case, I am getting the vertices 9, 2 and minus 11, 2. After replacing 10, 0 and minus 10, 0 in the place of x and y respectively. Is it clear? Center, foci, vertices. Now equation of Directrix. So it will be here, which is parallel to y axis. Therefore, x equal to plus or minus a by e. X equal to plus or minus, what is a by e? Which gives 50 by 3. So in this case, with respect to capital X and capital Y, equation of Directrix is plus x equal to plus or minus a by e. That is, x equal to plus or minus 50 by 3. Just you want to replace here. Small x will be plus 50 by 3, capital X minus 1. After taking LCM, it will be 50 minus 3, 47 by 3. And minus 50 by 3, replace here. After taking LCM, minus 50 minus 3, minus 53 by 3. That is, cross multiply. 3x equal to 47. When it comes to the left hand side, minus 47. So 3x minus 47 equal to 0. And this is 3y. Sorry. When you cross multiply 3x, this minus 53 comes here, plus 53, which is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the Directrix in this case. Is it clear? Just replacing your capital X as 50 by 3, taking LCM, simplify, cross multiplying, finally we are getting 3x minus 47 equal to 0. This one comes to the left hand side. And when you replace minus 50 by 3, after simplifying, taking LCM, it gives 3x, cross multiply 3x. When it comes here, plus 53 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the Directrix. In this case, they are asking only center, foci, vertices and Directrix. Is it clear? So very first see the question. In this case, the structure of the question will be x plus 1 whole square by 100 plus y minus 2 whole square by 64 equal to 1. When you replace this as capital X and this as capital Y, I am getting the standard equation, which is nothing but an equation of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So according to this 164, see the highest value, which is 100, therefore which is declared as a square, which appear in the denominator of x square, therefore the major axis along x axis. So find the e value by using the formula square root of a square minus b square by a square, which gives finally after simplification 3 by 5, which is less than 1. So just find out ae, which is 6, and a by e, finally I am getting 50 by 3. So very first you want to prepare a column for center foci vertex equation of directrix with respect to capital X capital Y according to this equation. So we are getting the center 0, 0, foci will be plus or minus 6, 0, vertices will be plus or minus 10, 0, and the equation of directrix x equal to plus or minus 50 by 3. So already by using the standard equation I got the dummy figure. With respect to the dummy figure, I can say my center as 0, 0, and foci will be plus or minus a, 0, it's on x axis, and vertices will be plus or minus a, 0, and equation of the directrix which is parallel to y axis, therefore x equal to plus or minus a by e. Finally I replace all my values. So after getting this capital X and capital Y, and replace here, you will get respectively small x and small y. So finally we are getting the center with respect to small x and small y. That is centers minus 1, 2, foci, 2 foci, that is f1, 5, 2, and another one is f2, which is minus 7, 2, vertices, vertex b1, 9, 2, and another vertex minus 11, 2, that is v2. We have two equations of directrix. After simplification, we are getting 3x minus 47 equal to 0 and 3x plus 57 equal to 0. Is it clear? So very first read the question. In this case, I replace capital X, capital Y. I am getting the standard equation. With respect to the standard equation, I got the table. Then I transfer all my capital X and capital Y value here with respect to small x and small y, which is a required center foci vertex and equation of directrix. Is it clear?